Hey everybody, welcome back to Mixing with the Geek. I'm here with my good friend Angie McMahon. We're gonna make a mocktail inspired by her new record. I already pre-measured the pineapple, but
okay, cool.
It is a quarter cup. I'll put the metric on the bottom of the screen because I can't do that at the top of my head right now. But yeah, a quarter cup of diced fresh pineapple. We'll just put it in there. And then you're gonna muddle that.
Oh, okay. Am I muddling it up here? Or does it matter?
If you can, yeah.
Okay, I'll do my
Other way.
Of course.
There you go. Now it feels good in the hand.
And do we just? I don't think I've muddled before.
Let it all out.
No, I don't want to splash it everywhere.
It's a bar top.
It smells so good.
It's looking good. Get in there.
Oh my god, it's in my eye. Okay, I think that's good.
Just set it there, it's fine. Then, so then we're gonna take that measuring cup and we're gonna do 6 ounces. So you can just fill it up to the 6.
Okay, I never measure in ounces. That's so American.
Right?
I have no idea what that means.
Well, let's look at it. I think it's got the equivalent.
Oh yeah, mils. Okay, 100 and...
Looks like a 175.
Yeah, 175.
175.
175 mils.
So that's...
Australians?
And the rest of the world units? How about that? Yep.
Yeah, you're the only ones that do ounces, right?
Yeah.
Weirdos.
I know. And then we're gonna do 2 ounces of the syrup. So just fill it up to the top of that jigger.
Okay, the line on the top?
The tippy top. And you can even go a little over.
Oh, okay, so maybe we're going like here.
Yeah, let's see those skills.
I haven't done this in a long time.
It's okay to make mistakes.
Oh. Wow, that is so wise of you to say that. Okay, you said a little bit more. I'm just gonna a bit more.
It won't hurt it. It's
dash.
There you go.
All right, yum.
It's a good. I love that flavor, by the way.
It smells good.
So then we're gonna do. I like to sour it up, give it a little bit of a bite.
Great.
Because just like that, it's fine. I tasted it. It's okay. But I think this will send it over the top. First, you need a little bit of lemon juice. We could measure it, which would be about 1/2 ounce, or you just do 1/2.
Let's just do half.
Into the thing.
You want me to do it?
Yeah, go for it.
You're really trusting me with this. I just saw the spray that comes off. So that's the kind of thing you see on like Jamie Oliver episodes, and I always thought they were just like
adding it.
Yeah, just CGIing that stuff in.
You're perfect. Got some good grip there. Okay, now we're gonna add some ice and then shake. I'll let you do the shake. Okay. I'll add the ice. Did you shake at at the bar you worked at?
Begrudgingly, I did.
Well, I don't want to make you if you don't want to.
I'll do it. We would always just get like one person order an espresso martini, and like annoying. 15 more people would order an espresso martini. Oh my god, it's been a while. Do I turn it upside down?
I will.
No.
That works. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'll be right back.
No!
You're good.
It's so nice and cold.
Yeah, that's perfect. And then I have 2 glasses because I think this is gonna fill up one and we'll have extra. So
amazing.
Do you have a favorite color of these 2?
I think I'm gonna go with blue.
Blue, okay. Let's just go for it.
Oh my god, I love this.
And I'll get a little bit more in there and we'll add more ice to fill.
And you just invented this. Was it inspired by?
Yeah, I definitely took inspiration.
Have you had tamarind in cocktails before?
Yeah, one of my favorite drinks is called a monkey pod.
What's in it?
Coconut cream, tamarind, it's got rum, it's got lime.
Yum.
Actually, I made it for the gorillas. I made it for I paired it with Demon Days.
Oh, beautiful.
So it's on the channel, so you can check it out.
Okay.
All right, so here we go. Cheers.
Cheers.
All right.
Thank you, Eric.
Thank you.
Yum.
Right? I think that extra bit of tamarind kicked it up. So 300, no, wait, what did we say? 2 ounces? So about 2.5. We'll do the milliliters.
That's really good. It's very well balanced.
Yeah, I was gonna do a straw, but you really need like the big boba type straws because of the pineapple chunks.
Oh yeah, I like the chunks.
Yeah.
I'm not big on straws.
Right. I was gonna use like, I always tend to use the paper ones or I have metal ones. So I just use them. So.
Metal straws are what I carry around with me for my vocal warm-ups.
Wait, how does that work?
So you're meant to like, but like through a straw. And you can either do it in water and try to keep your bubbles like consistent so that you've got like a steady stream.
Or you do it into water.
Or you can I just do it like not in water, but.
Oh, that's not as fun though.
It's like more portable, but you want to be careful that you're not like getting spit everywhere. As a trumpet player, you would know all about that.
Yeah.
But it's kind of gross. But it's really good for just like a gentle warming up your vocal cords. Hot tip.
Good to know.
Okay, so what are you gonna call it?
I don't know. I was thinking, we'll call it Serotonin.
I like that.
Name it after your song.
Serotonin, but like a serotonin, not spritz because it's not fizzy, but like we need an alliteration.
Oh, Serotonin Collins.
Oh, Collins. Okay, great.
All right, Serotonin Collins.
It sounds like what you'd call like your child if you didn't like them very much.
Yeah, that's baby names. Oh, Serotonin Collins.
Serotonin Collins.
Yeah. Serotonin Collins, get right in here.
You heard it here first, folks.
Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoy making your own. And thank you so much for being here, Angie.
Thank you so much for having me.
All right, everybody. Until next time, I'm your Vinyl Geek, and I'll catch you on the flip side.